Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today we're making flaxseed gel. Okay, so I have flaxseed, the golden one, and this is what most people use to make flaxseed. But today I'm not going to be using this. I will be using flaxseed powder, and let's get started. To start making flaxseed gel, you want to take 1 cup of water, and we're going to heat up this cup of water because that's what we're going to be using to make the flaxseed gel. This is a very simple recipe and you all will just love it because of all the benefits. I'm taking a 1/4 cup of flaxseed powder and I'm adding it to the boiling water. Now I'm going to be whisking it, and you want to whisk it for about 2 minutes or until all the powder has thoroughly dissolved inside the water. Once you've heated it up, after a while you'll see this foam start to appear on top of it. Now we want to turn off the water. This is usually about 3 minutes or so depending on the range of the heat that you're using. You want to stir the flaxseed liquid again, and then you're going to test for the consistency. Now you want to see if the mucus value, like the gel consistency, is what you want. If it's not thick enough, if it's too loose, you want to continue heating it up, but this consistency is good for me. I'll be letting it cool down for about 10 minutes. After that, I'll give it a final whisk again just to make sure all the mucus gel thing is in there, and we're going to start straining it. To strain it, you can use stockings, you can use a net like I am using here, or you can use a nut bag. When you strain it, you want to get everything in there, and you're going to take your time straining it. As you strain it, all you want to see is this mucus looking slime. You don't want to see any brown particles at all. So just take your time straining it. So while we are straining it, let me tell you some benefits of flaxseed. So flaxseed has great benefits for the hair. It contains vitamin E, so it helps promote healthy scalp, and it helps improve the circulation in the head, and it also helps reduce hair breakage. It is good for hair drying, like hair when your hair is dry, especially in this winter time. It helps to nourish the hair and even prevents hair loss and thinning of hair. So now this is what my consistency looks like, and it's time to use it. I'm going to pour it into this container right here. I'll be using my smart funnel. Details about my smart funnel can be found on my Amazon store, so you guys check it out. Okay, so now we're just going to put the flaxseed in there, and we will do one more testing. So once my flaxseed is in there, I'm going to show you, I'm going to cover it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This stuff is so good. It keeps my hair looking really good. And to show you, I'm going to show you this amazing twist out I did. So, let's just start styling. Okay, so my hair has been washed and there's nothing in my hair. All I'm doing is I'm applying the Kadima oil onto my scalp and also put it on the length of my hair. Now you can also add oils into your flaxseed gel if you want to, but I decided to just use this gel just on its own, just water and flaxseed. So this is my gel and I'm starting to use it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. I'm taking about a 1/4 size each time. You can see, oh my goodness, it's so good. It felt so good going onto my hair. This gel did not flake at all. I made sure I put some more at the ends of my hair, and I twisted my hair up. One thing you should know about flaxseed is that flaxseed is great for your scalp also, so you could put in your scalp because it helps to act as a hair and scalp moisturizer and strengthen your hair a lot. So when I'm twisting my hair, I'm making sure that I'm getting it coated throughout the length of my hair, and you can see just the lovely goodness just oozing out. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, so I'm just getting rid of shedded hair, and yeah. So after I've twisted up my hair, you guys see that is all that's in my hair, just the flaxseed gel and a base of the oil. So I did an LOF treatment. So LOF. So that is it. My hair looks really nice. I'm just going to let my hair dry up and I'm ready to untwist it. Guess what? The very next day, my hair dried really quickly. So the very next day I was ready to untwist it. So one thing you will notice as I'm untwisting it, you notice that the frizz is really minimal from this flaxseed gel. So it really is good. It's a good natural gel. You can also add aloe vera gel with it. You can add any essential oils like argan oil and jojoba oil, but it's amazing just how much my hair curled. And after I had my hair in this style, I retwisted it at night, so it lasted me a long time, and I only moisturized my hair just once during a 4-day period. My hair felt so good. And one thing I also noticed was that I didn't have as much shrinkage as I normally do in the past when I go with like first day hair and stuff. So I do hope you guys give this a try, and I do hope you guys let me know how much you enjoy using it. I think after this, I don't know if I'm gonna go back to using flax seeds for my gel. I just love the convenience of using the powder. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.